Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can bend text along a path in Lightburn. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to actually draw my path first. Of course you could start by importing your text, whatever, but first things first, I'm going to draw my text right here. Right after simply drawing out the path for my text, I'm just going to finish it with a right click, and then let's now import our text. So with this one, it's going to be extremely simple. Bend the text with path. And of course, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller by clicking on it and dragging these options right here. And basically right after, you just want to click on the pointer option, making sure that everything is unselected, and then press Control on your keyboard. That will allow us to select multiple objects at once. So you want to be sure that you have selected the path and the text with it. Right click on it, and then we have the Apply Path to Text. It will basically follow the path of our it will basically follow the text with the path itself. And now if we do something like this ellipse or circle, we could easily do that by once again highlighting the object, right clicking on it, click on the apply text to path, and basically from there you are good to go. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.